PayPal money is easy to come by if you know where to look, okay? I'm going to show you today a few websites which can increase your profits each month. It's a nice side hustle and you can just get some nice money out of it. So just follow the steps and let's go. First of all, this is the website which is going to get us paid. It is called respondent.io. You can find this one easily by going over to Google and just typing in respondent. This is going to be the first one, so respondent.io. Now, this website is recruiting, okay? So there are like these companies like IBM, Microsoft, Dropbox, GoDaddy, and they come on Respondent and they make few tasks to be done. And then what Respondent is going to do is going to find the people all around the world, doesn't matter where you live, well, they're going to find all that people to do those tasks. And of course, whoever does those tasks, they're getting paid for it. Now, there are like numerous tasks in here. Some of these even require to have some like skill in some field of activity. But a lot of these are not taking any skill from you, okay? So you can just easily become a participant in like these easy surveys. And trust me, there can be a lot of money on this website if you just invest a bit of your time, okay? You have to work for it. But it's not some kind of a hard work. You don't go and dig a hole, I don't know. You just click with your mouse. So let me actually show you how this works. If you click on participants over here, you will actually see that down there they have like few options. So you can be software developer. Now for this, you need to have skill, but you can get hourly incentive of $200 for yourself. Now that's crazy thing, but this is what we are after. This is without any skill. You can become support and sales on the website and on WhatsApp or Telegram or something like that, and you will get $100. I mean, that's crazy amount of money. So you need to take the action and they're going to do the rest. So firstly, create and verify your profile. You will just use your work email, just you know how it works. Then you will get matched. So they have algorithm and they will just give you the studies based on your professional experience. If you don't have any professional experience, you will be served with this, sales and support. And you know what this is. People will ask you a few questions and then you will just answer them with the topics, with the templates that a respondent is going to give to you. So if people ask you, why is my computer not working, you will just give them the templates that a respondent is going to do. All you got to do is to be online. That's it. And then you will just have to apply to these projects, okay? And of course, you get paid via PayPal whenever you're done, okay? So if you want to get this money, click on sign up. And on the next page, just make sure that you click on I'm a participant, okay? I'm a researcher, that's another story. But this one, first name, last name, email address, that's it. You can even continue with Facebook and that's going to be so easy. Now, when you get inside, this is how it's going to look like, okay? So you have like these regional tasks. So this one is like, do you live in Latin America and have a Digio bank account? So that certain bank in South America, and you will just get $25 for answering those questions. You can see, for example, 15 minutes is what's going to take for this one, okay? So 15 minutes in order for you to get $25. But of course, you can just search for another one. So you just go back and then you just use like all these other ones. You have a lot of these guys. You will just click on see more, and if you scroll down, you will get a lot of these, and this is like really good. There are like these regional tasks, and that's good if you come from, I don't know, Egypt, Saudi Arabia, Nigeria, India, Indonesia, and you can see, guys, that there are like these 10-minute surveys which you can do after you just put in your professional experience. So all in all, it's a very good thing. But apart from that, there's something interesting in here, and this is the opportunity for you to get $20 when you refer a new respondent user. And when that user gets $75 in incentives, you're going to get $20 for each one of those. So maybe you can just share this with your friends, maybe some people over the internet, and you can get some people on there so they can just give you these commissions. That's just some passive income on the side, but don't make it like first priority. The first priority is to make these tasks, to do them, and to get money with that. But this is only the one website for today. Now you click that subscribe button if you haven't already. Thank you. And we'll go to the next website, which is awesome, guys. This one is called sproutgigs.com. And just take a look at this. 3.8 million total visits on this website, okay? So there's nearly 4 million people coming here each month to get the money from the website. And that's what you're looking for. If the website is popular, and this one certainly is, that means that there's a lot of money in there. There's a lot of people coming, and they just get that money out of the website. So always check the website, okay? Whichever website you find online, just go on SimilarWeb and check the statistics, okay? 3.8 million for this one, so let's check it out. And this is it, sproutgigs.com. Just take a look at this. If I click on this freelance and earn, I will get all of these payment proofs, okay? So just take a look at this person from Brazil, $1.1 thousand. Just take a look at Domingo here, $1.5 thousand. There's a lot of money on this website, and it is really, really easy. Just take a look at this guy from Nigeria, $400. This guy got 778, so it's a really, really good option for anyone, guys. Just take a look at this guy, $1.3 thousand withdrawal. So you can be sure that there's good money on this website, guys. But let me show you what do you have to do on here. Firstly, of course, you have to make yourself an account. That's going to be easy enough. And once you get inside, just make sure that you put this button to worker, okay? Don't let it go to employer. Just click on the worker section and you will get a lot of these jobs. Just take a look at this. If you comment on a certain video on YouTube, you get $2, okay? So for only commenting, you get $2. Now that's really great, guys. You have all the instructions, so what is expected from you. And this is it. You go to this spot, you click watch video, you watch it for 10 seconds and comment, and that's it. Now another one is to subscribe to certain YouTube channel, and that's gonna give you $2, guys. I know if I gave you $2 right now that you would subscribe to my channel, but I can't give it to you right now, but this guy can. Go and do it, guys. Just take a look at this one. Follow us on Instagram. You get 75 cents for that. And you have a lot of these jobs. Just take a look at the amount of these jobs. You can scroll down for a day and you won't deplete all of these jobs. So I highly suggest sproutgigs.com, guys. There is a lot of money on this website and anyone can join, okay? You can even switch through these like categories. You have signups, you have promote content, you have data entry if you want to do that. You have Telegram, Discord, TikTok, whatever, guys. And the sweet thing about this one is that you will increase your levels and you will be a starter. Then when you go to advanced, you will get even more jobs with a lot more money in them. And then on expert, well, there's going to be huge amounts of money for you. So go and do it, guys. Take the action, and I'll catch you later.